Amazon delivery. It's full of Korean skincare and wellness favorites. Let's open it together slowly. Let's start cutting the tape. I love this sound. Our first product is the COSRX Snail Essence. It's such a cult favorite. I love the sleek clear bottle. It's a snail mucin, all in one cream. It has a soft, bouncy texture. It's ANUA Heartleaf Deep Cleansing Foam. It's meant to calm and beautify the skin gently. And this pink beauty is the Peach 70 Niacinamide Serum. It's so cute and soft. Let's tap and swirl it a little. It's so cute and soft. Lastly, something for beauty from within. Vital Proteins Collagen Peptides. I love how this adds the glow from inside out. That's everything from today's Amazon beauty haul. I hope you enjoyed this calming